Could you live somewhere like this? Hundreds of people. So this is it, guys. Small apartment, look. She's camera shy today, but she's looking beautiful. Wow, nice bike, innit? 100,000 baht. Top deck. Looking out over that. This is it. So Farangs have just moved out of here. Oh, this would be lovely. Soon? Me and Parry get married.
Bye.
So guys, welcome back to the channel. Touching down from just outside of Chiang Mai city. We are 10 kilometers outside of the city, and today we're going to look at two properties. Remember my old friend Parry? She's an estate agent now, and she's got two places for us to look at today. And the first one is near the night safari, so 10 kilometers out, and it's in that sort of place that looks like a prison barrack. But there's some really nice places in there, and they've got all these places set up for the people that live in these big buildings behind. You know, you've got all your 7-Elevens and stuff. So yeah, we're going to look. I got to meet the guy there at 10 a.m. so I'm just going to show you, because you can see them around the back here. See, they're all numbered like big blocks of apartments. 13, I'm going 14, so the one next to that. And then after that we're going up the mountain to see Parry again, and she has got a beautiful little house up there for cheap, man. And she sent me the pictures and I absolutely love it. But you're in the mountain, man. That's the only problem. It'll be too far out for me. Right then, see, you've got your 7-Eleven. You have to have a shop outside, and all these places have. And over here is all your restaurants at night. So we got to go in here, look, right next to 7-Eleven. There's normally a guy on the gate, but they don't care nothing. So it is like your army barrack style living. You've got all your restaurants in here. So basically it's a small town within this estate, and there's loads of them. So I'm guessing mine was down here, right? I don't know if I could live here, but yeah, I've been here before, and there's some nice places inside. 5, 9, they never 14. This is the one I'm looking at, so it's close to the entrance. Can I take the bike up there? Yes. Laundry right outside, see? Could you live somewhere like this? Hundreds of people, all in blocks. Let's go, man. I'm a little bit early. It's cheap here, as you can probably imagine. Right, 3rd floor, 26. Hello. So this is it, guys. Small apartment, look. 2 bedrooms. Hey, it's quite nice, isn't it? Okay, I'll look this one first. So yeah, I would say they've definitely renovated this place. Yeah, bedroom number 1. So you've got like frosted windows and bars, so you can't really look out. But yeah, this is number 1 bedroom, all furnished as well. So in here you've got another small bedroom lit, and this is the kitchen. So you get your microwave, your sink. I thought they had a washing machine. They probably do. So you've got your air, oh yeah, washing machine as well. Look, you've got your air cons inside, which isn't too much of a problem, I don't think. And outside it's not overpowering, is it? You're not really got matey's kitchen over there, but it's a far enough distance. So just show the bathroom a minute. Yeah, new style bathroom as well, look. Yeah, it can connect the Wi-Fi easy, look. And you've got your sofa space, fridge. It's all included as well. 6,900. Yeah, so this place is 6,900. Guys, which is not a lot of money. 130 quid. I'll put it up on the screen. Just have a look out here. You're down the end. Well, you're nearly at the end. There's one more on the end. Hey, 6,900 for a 2-bedroom apartment. I mean, you're probably not getting a 2-bedroom apartment for 6,900 in and around the city. Not for me, mate. Yeah, I don't like living like this, but the room was nice, mate. If that room was somewhere else, right outside me door, and the 7-Eleven. Right then, so what we're doing now, we're going 25 minutes up the Samang Mountain. We are at Harry's Mountain Retreat House. This is Parry's house, look. Here's Parry, look. She's camera shy today, but she's looking beautiful. Just show the kitchen because her lad wants me to see his motorbike. So this is Parry's big house lit in the mountain. And yeah, it's massive. So we're going to look at Parry's son motorbike, look. Kawasaki Ninja. It's for sale, guys. Wow, nice bike, innit? 100,000 baht.
เซอร์วิสนี่ผมเปลี่ยนน้ำมันเครื่องเปลี่ยนน้ำยาหล่อเย็นให้นะครับแล้วก็น้ำมันเบรกอะไรเงี้ยครับ
So this is Parry's other son. This is, I've not met this one so much, he's normally away, but he sells big bikes like this. 100,000 baht.
ประมาณนี้เลยแล้วก็ราคาก็ตามที่ลง 2,900,000
We're having a tour of Parry's house. I've been up here before. Well, hey. She's so lucky. Look at the picture of Parry, look, on the wall. So she's got like an extra apartment up here and downstairs too, where the maid lives. Look at this, look. Kitchen upstairs as well. Yeah, down here she's got a like shrine room, look. And this here, look at this, guys. We're going to look at the one for rent in a minute. Top deck. Looking out over that. Jesus. Really nice. Look at the size of them chairs. I gotta try them. Wasn't you trying to sail before?
No.
Ah. Nah, you won't move from here.
Yes.
She's got a bar.
Yeah.
Bar.
Oh, it's my story.
And she's got the restaurant up the road. We're going to go to the restaurant again after. So this house could be for rent, guys. Parry's going to maybe move out. You said around 30,000 a month. 40. It's a big place, man. I've not even showed you half of it. Yeah. It's definitely... There's grounds. There's a separate condo down the bottom here where the maid lives. 30 to 40.
5 bedroom, 5 bathroom.
5 bedroom, 5 bathroom. So we're going to see a mountain house in a minute. How far is this small house? Not far?
8 minutes.
8 minutes? Further up that way.
Upstairs. And that's how Chinese rent.
This is it. So Farangs have just moved out of here and this place is available. It's worth a look though, isn't it? Oh my days, it would be perfect if you could just pick this place up and put it closer to the city a bit more. Oh mate, waking up to this every morning. So yeah, you're gonna have to have open mind if you like. I mean, loads of Farangs come and stay here, Parry says. The house is here, it's nice, look, basic. Got the room here. Oh, nice. Too far out though, man. And you'd have your kitchen down here. And down here you've got your... Ah yeah, so you have... Your bathroom's not outside. Got a proper modern shower and toilet, look. So guys, this place is 7,000 baht a month. So it's cheap, not too expensive. You would put your kitchen stuff down here. Or the kitchen outside. It would be here. Okay, so yeah, it's a bit of a... You've got a small worktop here. I'm not sure what you would do here, but you would do something. And yeah, outside, look, just got a few basic houses around. Chinese live in this one down here, and you've got the rice fields. So this is 1 year contract, Parry.
Start 3 months. 6
Ah,
months,
3 months.
1 year contract if you want.
Yeah, 7,000 a month.
We accept, but price different price.
Right, different.
3 months, 6 months.
Yeah, be a little bit more expensive if you've done 3 months. Somebody might be interested. I'm sure somebody will take it by the time the video's on. Because people love stuff like this, don't they? Just for a short... Yeah, let's go out, can we? Oh, this would be lovely. Just think, 6 o'clock in the morning here.
Flight.
Them bathrooms come with it as well. 4 bathrooms. Have Parry come round, make me dinner. Joking. Yeah, so it was worth a look, man. If anybody is interested, let me know. It's probably gone by the time this video goes up.
Like here, like before, they make like coffee, Patara coffee like before they rent, or not rent, they make this house.
This was a coffee shop.
Patara elephant farm before.
This was elephant farm.
Yes, when they alive. When
Okay, I don't
first time
remember
they
this
make
elephant
this
farm.
bit.
Right, so this was the old elephant farm. And obviously
Yes,
business
office
not so good maybe.
shop.
And it was a coffee shop.
Or maybe showroom.
Made it into a room. So Parry was saying she's trying to get the lady to do the same with this one down here. That's her house, right?
Ben finished contact already, right? Oh, she got
All gone.
she got it.
Oh, she got it.
Yes.
Rooms here, they're not ready yet, so we can't go in. But yeah, you would have to be a certain type of person to live out here, man. But it's really nice. See, this looks like they're gonna do one here as well. I would have thought. Place here, look. Let's have a look at that one on the hill again. Oh my days. Not sure if you can see it up there, but so we're gonna go and eat now, guys, in one of the local restaurants here. Well, Parry's actually. We're gonna try some of her Western food. Could I live up here? Nah. Right, guys, so we are back at Parry's restaurant. We've not been here for a long time, and yeah, it's changed quite a bit. It's changed all the front look. So you go right past this place, guys, if you're doing the Samong loop. There's loads of foreigners gone by, so if you're renting a bike and doing the loop, stop off in Parry's restaurant. It's a beautiful place. And look, she's changed all the tables here, look. She's got new cloths and that. And yeah, we're getting some food. Hello. Yeah, met this lady at her house. This is her maid as well. Kitchen. And she's got probably the best view up here. Got the menu there in Thai, but she does Western food as well, so I'm going to show you. And she has the live music up here sometimes. Yeah, we've not been here again for a while. It's looking really nice, rustic. And look, this is the masterpiece. Remember we went down to the English house? It's always good coming up here, you know. Got all the Western menu. We had this sandwich last time. It was lovely, mate. 120 baht. It's like a breakfast sandwich. And then you get all your Thai food, look, seafood, basic as well. And she does your French fries, pork belly. Parry does it all here. What's the beer here? You stop off for a beer here, look, 75 baht. Fish menu. This one here was from the one we went to up the road. And this one here is Parry's cashew nut. Got some drinks. And look, got lots of customers come. Big carload, two cars full. Me and Parry get married. Right guys, we've got tourists going past it. More tourists doing the Samong loop. So we're going to leave it here now. Yeah, going to get back. Been here about 4 hours to show you Parry's restaurant again. Lit. Parry is in there just chilling. So we're going to leave her to it now. And I'm going to get back. It was a cool little day out. Seen 2 places, man. 2 strange places. Probably I wouldn't move into any of them. If I could take that house up here and move it back to the city, I'm gonna make the 25-minute trek back, and it's nice and cool up here as well. So I'm gonna stop waffling. It's all gone quiet here. So yeah, hope you're all safe and sound as always, and I will see you in the next one. So take it easy, man. Take it easy.